You're welcome to today's virtual learning class, and our topic for today's teaching is electoral bodies in Nigeria. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, you students should be able to define electoral commission, identify electoral bodies in Nigeria, state the functions of electoral bodies in Nigeria. So let's begin. Meaning of electoral commission. An electoral commission is a body charged with overseeing the implementation of electionary process of any country. The electoral bodies in Nigeria. The following are the electoral bodies in Nigeria. 1. Independent National Electoral Commission, also known as INEC. Then 2. State Independent Electoral Commission, also known as SEC. Now, let's talk about the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. The Independent National Electoral Commission is the body which has the responsibility to organize and conduct election in the country. It is made up of the chairman and 12 national commissioners. The body is expected to register all eligible voters and political party before the conduct of election. Now let's look at the functions of INEC. The following are therefore the functions of INEC as an electoral body in Nigeria. 1. To organize, conduct, and supervise election to all elective offices in the country. 2. Register political parties in accordance with the provision by the Constitution. 3. To monitor the organization and operation of political parties, including their finances. 4. To arrange and conduct the registration of persons qualified to vote. 5. To prepare, maintain, and revise the register of voters for the purpose of any election under this constitution. 6. To monitor political campaigns and provide rules and regulations which shall govern the political parties. And the last function, to conduct voter and civic education. Now let's look at the second electoral body in Nigeria, which is the State Independent Electoral Commission, SEC. The State Independent Electoral Commission has a sole role of organizing and conducting elections into local government councils. This is unlike INEC, that has the responsibility to organize and conduct elections at both federal and state levels. The SEC advises INEC on the compilation of and the registration of voters for local government election. The SEC has its own chairman and 7 other persons. The chairman is normally appointed by INEC. Now let's look at its functions. 1. To organize, undertake, and supervise all elections to local government councils within the state. 2. To render such advice as it may consign necessary to the Independent National Electoral Commission on the compilation of the register of voters. 3. To provide guidelines to political parties stipulating the rules and procedure for electionary campaigns for local government election. 4. To assign poll clerks and orderlies in respect of each polling station or unit to assist in the conduct of polls. Then 5. To conduct voter and civic education. 6. to promote knowledge of sound democratic election processes. 7. To consult regularly with all registered political parties in the state and ensure free flow of information from the Commission to stakeholders. 7. To prepare and submit its budget directly to the State House of Assembly. Then the last function, to appoint a lawyer to defend the Commission and persecute anyone who violates the provisions of the law. Thank you very much.